Today I'm attempting to do a big project, which is a calendar gift with watercolors. So I got this blank calendar on watercolor paper, looked up the flowers that represent each month of the year. In this case, it is Stephanolus. So attempted to paint. Flowers are definitely not my specialty, but I figure if I'm painting with love and heart in the work, that it won't matter if it don't really look much like the flower. Anyway, trying very hard to be serious. I'm trying to keep the cropping well centered, so it's a cute little illustration, and at least for centering, I think I got a win on this one. I'm trying to do every month in the next, 2 hours or whatever. Then I wrote the name of the flower down there and a little initial just in case. And there it is.